In this video, you're going to learn how to design an original piece of content for Instagram for free that you can then go ahead and share directly on Instagram. So this is something that you really do want to learn how to do if you want to create your own content or content for clients or companies. It's basic design skills, but it's going to allow you to produce a lot of original content. So how to get started? I'll walk you through the exact steps of how to create this design from scratch. So what you want to firstly do is go ahead and open up your browser and download the Canva app. Now Canva is essentially Photoshop for dummies. It's free, it's so simple to use. And the cool thing is that you can design on your phone and then share directly from Instagram. They do also have a desktop version, so that's pretty cool as well, because if you're more comfortable designing on your desktop, then you can just take the design from the app and then share it directly. So you have that choice as well to design on your desktop and then just share via the app on Instagram. But in this example, I'll show you how to actually create a design in the app. So I've downloaded the Canva app. I'm going to open that up. And then you can see here that they have templates under the Instagram section. And what you can do is create really any type of design. They have a ton of templates here. But what I've done here is what's going to come up is a load of templates like this. And some of these are popular now. You can see 2018, etc. What I'm going to do is type in quotes. And that is going to bring up all the templates for quotes. Now you can search around for other ones as well if you want, product promotions, etc. But for now, I'll just look at this quotes one. So here is the template that I can easily use and modify. And you can see this is in the format that I want. Oscar Wilde here, "To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that is all." Okay, great quote from Oscar Wilde, but I want to adapt this template slightly and design the design that I showed you previously. So the first thing that I'll go and do is change the image. So I can just tap on the image. It's going to bring up my camera roll. I could also take, you can see my camera here, my hand waving. I could take a picture if I wanted, but I've already got this picture on my camera roll, which I'm going to just click on, and you can see it inserts right in. So simple, so easy. Now I want to change the quote because obviously this guy is not Oscar Wilde. So if I double click on the text, and now I can say, type in the quote. So I've typed in the quote there, "Don't wish it were easy, wish you were better." I think great advice. So I've changed the text. I can say done. Now I'm going to resize that text as well because you can see I've got a little bit of space. So I am going to double click on this. And I'm going to change this to size 56. I think that should fit in. There we go. And then I can click done. Then I want to change the author's name as well. So I'll double click on that. Now I will say that it takes a little bit of getting used to. Maybe the first time that you design something, it mightn't be so simple. But after a while, you're really going to get the hang of this and make it really easy for yourself. So that's pretty much my design. It's pretty much already done. I'm happy with the positioning. I think it all looks great. Now a good idea before you go to publish is maybe just reread it, make sure there's no mistakes. I can actually see that I've made a mistake here. So I wanted to say, "Don't wish it were easy." "Wish you were better." Now I'll have to reposition that. Text underneath, drag it off there. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now what I can do is just click on the image once again. Then I'm going to click on this button on the top right hand corner. You can see it's like a little share button. That's really going to finalize my design, save it, and it'll enable me then to share it, which I can go ahead and do. Click import to Instagram. And what I can do now is publish directly to my feed. I just don't need to crop it, so I can just click next. You can add a filter if you want. I actually might apply this filter, gingham, just to make it look maybe slightly older, slightly more wisdom. And then click next. You can see that I can tag people, add a location if I want to, write a caption. And for now, I'll just click share. And there we go. You can see this is how it is going to show up in people's feed. So I think it looks great. It looks professional. And then if I come back to my account, you can see it showing up there as well. So you can see that took me less than 5 minutes. It was completely free to do, and it's very easy to do from your phone as well. Remember that you have this app Canva with a ton of templates in there. So what I recommend you do is go ahead, download the Canva app, try out some of these Instagram templates for yourself, and start creating original content for Instagram completely free. It's just your imagination is the only thing holding you back. There's so many things you can do, and you can even look at content that your competitors are doing and put a slight twist on it and publish it yourself as original content using Canva and this free incredible tool that you can use to create content.